Good morning everyone, my name is Anne and I have come with my new video. So as we have covered science chapter 4 temperature and heat part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. So this is part 5 and as in the ending of part 4 video, so I have told you that in this video we will discuss what is radiation. So what is radiation? Heat energy can travel in the form of waves. Just as light, these waves, both heat and light, are called electromagnetic waves. So energy traveling in this form is called radiation. So if the question comes in exam that what is radiation, so you will write that heat energy travel in the form of a wave, and light. So this wave is called electromagnetic wave, and energy traveling in this form is called radiation. So now we will discuss that practically application of radiation. So this is the practical application of radiation. So heat radiation travel in vacuum and air just like light rays. So the radiation travels in a air that is like a light ray. So now we learn that preventing loss of heat. So as many of you take steel bottle in schools for take that bottle so that if you put cold water or hot water, so it will stay for 12 hours. So do you know how that water stay for long period of time? So we will discuss here. So this is a rough diagram, the inside of the steel bottle which you carry. So it has many layers. This is the first layer known as outer casing. Then this first layer and inside there is also a layer known as, these both are called double wall glass vessel. So how the water, suppose you are carrying hot water in the bottle, so how it will be hot for 12 hour or 10 hour by when you put the water inside the bottle. This is the cap of the bottle, and when you put the water inside, so these are the waters, and when the hot water vapors, so when the when the water gases will come up, so it will hit here and there and it will again go down. So when the air will hit, if the cap of the bottle will open, so the gases can come out. But if the bottle is closed and water is very hot, so water gas will not come out, because if the water gas will try to come out, so it will hit here and there and it will again reflect back to the water. So this is how the water which you carry in water bottle remains hot. So my video is completed, so please like, subscribe and share, and feel free to ask if you have any query in our email given in channel description. So please like, subscribe and thank you.